I didn't do this sooner, but we're going to do an immersive rendering tutorial video, maybe series, I don't know, depends on how long. So I've been playing immersive rendering for about a year, maybe more, I think. And so I haven't really done a tutorial on it, but I know what I'm doing, and this is probably going to be a series, so in that case I'll just do, we'll see, I'll probably focus on machines for now, and then tracks, then diesel, steam, rolling stock, in that order. So in that case, let's start off with the large wrench. This is important. Here's what it looks like. It's a large wrench. It's not small. It used to be way bigger before one of the updates. Also did 11 damage. Watch one of my older videos. I cleared some cows with it. It did a lot of damage. Now that doesn't do it anymore. It's smaller. It has a better design. You can see right there. It has IR on it, which is pretty cool. This is important. Trust me, you need this. You'll also need the immersive rendering manual. It can link you to the immersive rendering wiki, and as you just saw, it lays these machine parts. Now you'll see for these machines, this machine and all machines, it uses immersive engineering blocks. It is not required that you have immersive engineering. Okay, I think it's a better idea though, because with immersive engineering you'll have more fuel options and easier ways to get fuel for diesel engines, and just power generation for these machines. It's just a good mod in general. Even if you're not using it with immersive rendering, it has guns, it's retro, futuristic, it's a good idea. Now to place down this, you have to shift, right click, and then place down. And you don't use the immersive engineering hammer like I tried to the first time I played immersive rendering. Tried to place it down, I had a hammer in my hand trying to bang the middle part, finding the center, and it just for like 10 minutes, and I was very confused. Read the wiki, I'm like, oh, this is how you do it. You just hit with the wrench, you have to right click anywhere on the machine, and then bam, it turns into a multi-block structure. Now this is the plate machine. To cycle machines, you shift, no. There we go, you shift right click. Casting machine. Boiler machine. Steam hammer. Rail machine. And that's all the machines. And I just hit them, you can hit them anywhere with the wrench, and then they'll be placed in. And now, let's see here. Let's grab a lever and put it on machines that require a lever. Alright, now we grab a creative capacitor, because I'm not about to make a whole power station. I scrolled past it. And then we just put the creative capacitor here. And that's, as you can see, the steam hammer was activated by default, so it has nice animation. All these have, I think all these have animations. I don't use them at all much, but I genuinely know what to do. So let's start with the what's it called? Casting machine. The casting machine. You can walk up here. You can be in here. How to quote unquote fuel it? You either use iron blocks or blocks of steel. I'm going to use blocks of steel because that's better. So I just drop it in, and then it's molten steel animation. Drop that one in. And then it's filled with molten steel, as you can see. And then we're just going to choose. First off, I'm going to place down some track. I should probably make track first. I'm not 100% sure how all these work. Actually, I think we need plate. Yeah, this episode will just be about the how to make a train and then a track if I figure it out. Let's just make steam engine. So standard gauge, single casting, and if you have resource packs, you can build whatever you want with these resource packs. So it's a standard gauge. Let's build a blue comet type, the G3 class. Build the frame. And keep the sound effect and the animation fielding for it. Almost done, and then it's done, and then you just right click and you gain the item. For now, let's just put this here. I have it so it's already schemed up, so let me just quickly, there we go. Alright, so we have the G3 frame down right there, and then G3 frame, rear bogey, single casting, and it's done. Yeah, there's an order we need to do this in. So steam chest now. I forgot about that. Yeah, if you click on it, it tells you the order. The wrench is still important, actually. And it's done. Steam chest. There it is. Then there's that. So you have the steam chest and the rear bogey. Now what else does it need? Oops. Yeah, I probably should have been smarter about that. Probably the front bogey. It's already done. And there it is. It's on right there. Now in survival, I think you'll get these parts you'll get rid of them. Then the front bogey, rear bogey, front bogey wheels. Oops. It's just easier to do it this way. I have 4 bogey wheels. 2. Oh, I needed 2. I'm smart. Don't do stupid like I just did. 3 driver wheel castings and 1 rear bogey wheel, so keep casting. There we go. Here's 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Right there. As you can see, it is coming together already. Alright. Rear bogey wheel, single one. It's done. There we go. And we have all the wheels. So first it needs 2 of these cranks. Okay, it needs 2 of everything. casting power hammer. Wait, that's not the right button. So we need to go from the casting, which we just got, then power hammer. So thing by itself, and then I got it. And for creative purposes, it will tell you if you notice it you need 2, so I'm just going to make 1 though for now. Okay, well I put 2 of them there, as you can see, one on the other side. Alright, so now we have piston rod, 2 piston rods. Okay. Main rod. Looking at the steam hammer. We got 2 of them. So here, 1, 2. Check again what you need. The expansion link. That's not the casting machine. Here it is. There it is again. Looking at the steam hammer. Alright, there we go. 1. Then we can come over here. 2. Let's see what else it needs. The combination lever, very important. So here it is. 1 and then 2. Back to the steam hammer. Let's do it. Both, come over here, put both of them on. What else do I need? Side rod, 2 of them. Here's the side rod, 1, and then 2. Back to the steam hammer. Let it do its own thing. Side rod, do it again. Grab the other side rod, come over here, place both side rods. Alright, what else do we need? Union link and centric rod. Alright. Here's the union link. And then steam hammer. The lava level right there obviously indicated how close it is to being done. Alright. Put on both of those. There they were. Radius bar, piston rod, and then centric rod. So here's the radius bar. Alright. Radius bars. There's that. What's a piston rod? Got the piston There we go. Let the steam hammer do its thing. Do it again. And there's that. Now we just put them on the G3. Alright, there's that. Looking nice, looking nice. You can see it's coming together. Alright, then we needed something that I can't remember. Yes, center rod. Here it is. Got both of them. Steam hammer once again. Let it do its thing. Do it again. Alright, that's the last rod. And there you go. There's that. Oops. Now what does it need? Piping. Times 1 piping, 10 large plates. Right. I'm gonna hope I'm doing this right. Standard. Hold on. So that's the roller, yes. And standard large plates. I don't know how to use this one. Thought I was gonna I'll come back to that. Well, what you do here is not know how to use it again. Wait. Okay, I did this once. Hold on. Nope. Well, you get to see me fail at most of everything. Get a standard type large plate. Oops. Oh. That's why I need the wrench, yes. I did forget about that. Well, there's the piping. I need 4 large plates. But the plate roller is being weird. Wait a minute. Boilerplate, G3 class, enter. I'm just being confused here. Wait. Alright guys, I actually figured out what was wrong, what I did wrong with the plate rolling machine. Now let's get boiler plate. Let's see what else we need. For a large plate, alright. Alright, so we actually need steel block, that's steel slab. Steel blocks. Now observe. There we go, now watch this. Ham. 4 large plates for the firebox. There's the firebox. This plate roller. Boiler roller. Now watch this. Boiler plate. Don't put plate roller. Insert plate. And then it's rolled. Then we acquire a rolled plate. Go over here, skippity block, cuppity bop, kapow. It's almost complete at this point in time. Need the cab. 5 large plates. 7, 8, no, 7 large plates. So. Oh, I made boiler plates. God dang it. Okay, well then, in that case, I'll just grab 5 large plates because I accidentally made boiler plates. There's the cab with those 5 large plates. Then what else does it need? 2 large plates and 2 small plates. A lot of small plates. And it's complete. Once everything is on, you can see it's complete now. And then you can just store those extra small plates somewhere else. Like, oh wait, no, where's the tender? Well, I think I figured out how to make a track, so we're gonna do that first. Thought I figured out how to make a track. Pause. Okay, after reading the Immersive Routing wiki again, I figured out how the track rolling machine works. No, you don't need that. We go over here. Rail casting. That is important. You make the rail casting. Make a single casting. Very important. So yeah, this is how you do it. Alright, rail casting made. This is useless. It's very lightsaber. It's very long. I'm not. This is a weapon. Just turn around, you could knock someone out. Okay, right click that, and then you have rail segments, and I think, no, smart, yeah. One more read, I didn't finish. Okay. Okay, the track is more complicated than I thought, and this texture is, okay. here's what you do with the tracks, with the rail segment. You need to acquire treated wood planks. They involve oak wood planks and creosote oil. So just use JEI if you're trying to make treated wood planks. I'm not going to go into detail about that. It's not that difficult in survival. Actually, me and a friend did it once. Take a crafting table, a piece of paper. I'm going to try to remember Here's the crafting recipe. Steel ingot from anything, like steel ingot from industrial renewal, immersive engineering, or extreme reactors, and then paper in the middle, kind of like that. I don't know why hold on. Does it tell you how to make? No, okay. I don't know why my caps was on, but I don't know where the paper is. Found it. I'm gonna go grab steel ingot. Steel ingots for so you'll need rail segments and treated wood planks. Treated wood planks is in for the ties, rail segment for the rail, obviously. Now let's make this recipe. Kabam. Track blueprint. Game mode S, so it doesn't place it in creative. Alright, and that many rail segments? Or just do one? I'm going to need to make a lot of rail segments. Let that happen over there. You might want to make some ladder systems up to the top of that so you can feed in steel. Also, you're going to you need a steady steel production. Make like whole factories that just build tracks or trains or both. This is what I mean by steady steel production. You can probably make a system with like a dropper or something like that, or a dispenser that just drops steel at the flick of a redstone lever. That's very possible, obviously. I'm good with redstone, so that's not even that difficult. That way you don't have to go up there, unless you want it to be more like realistic. I'm going this way. I'm already hungry from this. There we go. With my lightsaber here. And one more. There we go. I don't think that's enough for like anything. We do 5, not 15. Can we do 2? Can we do 1? Missing 12 rail segments. Okay. That's exactly 12 right there. This is very expensive, as you can see. Okay, yeah, you only need, yeah, okay, so for one piece of, wow, I used up all of that. 2 stack, 64 plus 64 plus 16, 130, yeah, 142 or something. That's how many rail segments you need for one piece of track. Then you only need one block of treated wood planks. Okay, so there's that. Tracks are very expensive, so I'm just gonna skippity hop. Do that. Yeah, here's all we needed. One treated wood plank, and then all of this for one rail segment. And then, since it was made in survival, you get everything back instead of getting the track blueprint. But the track blueprint just allows you to place the track, so it is necessary. But let's just make the tender real quick. Actually, I don't know how much we've used. Just, okay, you know what? I don't know if that will hurt you in survival, so... No. It'll just fall damage, so... Just double check. Alright, let's make the tender of this. With the G3, where is it? Here it is. Comet tender, tender frame, single casting. Guys, my computer is pretty close to being complete. Literally 5 minutes ago, we went and got the mail, and my CPU cooler had arrived, so... Alright, so you need 2 bogies for the casting, and 4 bogey wheels from the casting. So, in survival, do how many it says, but in creative, you don't really have to. No single casting. So, oh wow. So, there we go. Okay. 6 large plates. What is happening? Yeah, the trains are expensive. Track is more expensive, almost, it seems. Or just as expensive, so have a steady production of steel. If JEI would maybe not die. Oh god. There we go. Minecraft is like dead. A block of steel is pretty expensive to make. Blast furnace, block of iron in the blast furnace, the block of steels. So just have enough steel. That's all I'm saying. If you don't have enough steel, then well, you're not going to have any tracks or trains. Alright, let's... And the tender is complete. Alright, well that concludes this episode. Now we'll make the next episode whenever I don't have schoolwork. So, see you then, I guess.